In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a Google search to the Launchpool section on Binance, where you can explore current and upcoming projects. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Binance and press Enter. On the results page, look for the official Binance website, which should be at www.binance.com. Before you click, take a second to verify the URL and the secure lock icon in your browser. This is a good habit to avoid phishing sites or misleading ads that might look similar. Once you're confident it's the official site, click to open the Binance homepage. When the homepage loads, you'll see Binance's main navigation near the top on desktop or behind the menu icon on mobile. We're going to open the More menu. On a computer, hover your mouse over the word More or click it to expand a drop-down. On a phone or tablet, tap the menu icon first if you don't see the top bar, then look for More in the expanded list. If the page takes a moment to load the menu, give it a second. Large sites sometimes need a brief pause to display all options. With the More menu open, look for Launchpool and click it. That's all there is to the navigation. Launchpool is a section where Binance showcases token farming opportunities tied to supported assets. You're not taking any action yet, just exploring. On the Launchpool page, you'll typically see a list of projects with details like the token name, the farming period, supported staking assets, and estimated rewards. You can usually filter by ongoing or upcoming campaigns to quickly find what's current. If something doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page, checking your region settings, or using the site's search bar for Launchpool. A few quick tips as you browse. The layout can vary slightly depending on your device, language, or region, so labels might look a bit different, but the flow, Open More, then Launchpool, remains the same. If you're prompted to sign in, do so only through the official site and use your normal secure methods. Availability of certain features can depend on your location and account status, and all exploration here is for educational purposes. And that's it. From a simple Google search to the Binance homepage, opening the More menu, and landing on Launchpool. Pause, review the information presented there, and make sure you understand what you're looking at before doing anything else. Thanks for watching, and stay safe while browsing.